Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making banchan again. When is it too much banchan? Never. We got a huge box of these peppers. They're usually sold as Shishito peppers. Just take off the stems and give them a wash in the sink. For any gochujang fans, you will like this banchan a lot. Not joking at all when I say we made them because we were expecting the mom-in-law and sister-in-law for lunch. We ate all of this in one sitting. It's that good. As with all Korean recipes, there are variations to this, but you know we keep it stupid simple here and Oppa gets this done in a jiffy. You're going to need some kind of flour for this. We're just using regular standard white all-purpose flour. The point is to get a light coating of this because we're going to steam it. And the flour cooks and the peppers then get a bit of yummy chewiness. Personally, I'm not familiar with this banchan at all, but I am now hooked on this stuff. You're using the wetness from washing the peppers to get the flour to stick. Do not worry, the flour won't stick very well. I mean, there are things you can do. I'll list the tips in the description box below. Now just steam them in a basket. Would like to add a note here, don't add too much water. We're going to steam this with the lid on, and I added a wee bit too much and the water bubbled over into the steamer basket, washing off most of the flour. So yeah, try not to do that. We had a lot of peppers and a little steamer basket, so we're going to do 2 batches. It doesn't take too long at all. We just want to steam it for maybe 5 to 7 minutes until you don't see any uncooked flour powder. Cool them down fully before the next step or you will lose all the flour completely. Even now, there's not much there. But Shishito peppers are tasty to eat on their own anyway, so don't worry too much about it. Let's make the saucy sauce. Garlic, green onion, gochujang, Korean red pepper paste, Gochugaru, Korean red pepper powder, sesame oil, and sesame seeds, which are optional. Slice green onions, thinly or thickly, however you like them. You can even omit them if you don't have any. Mince some garlic using a chopper, knife, or press, whatever you have on hand. Let's do a healthy dollop of gochujang. Here's a generous shake with a gochugaru. If you don't like heat, you don't have to add it. And plenty of sesame oil to bring this all together. This is a sauce or dressing for those peppers as soon as they cool down, so taste test and make sure it's delicious and make adjustments. Oppa added a little more sesame oil, and I won't complain because I love sesame oil. Add in the green onions and this banchan is almost complete. Let's get all these gorgeous peppers into the biggest mixing bowl we have, and the delicious gochujang saucy sauce. Mix time. Try to get that sauce into all the crevices so you get a nice hit of flavor with every pepper. It looks too little to me. We like it quite saucy, so we're gonna make some more of that real quick. Gochujang paste, sesame oil to get it runnier. More gochugaru because Oppa will always choose more gochugaru. Eke out the last of any garlic left over. Adjust with sesame oil to get it the right consistency. I mean, it's pretty foolproof. The minimalist version of the sauce would be gochujang, garlic, and sesame oil. Bam! Delicious also. Korean steamed Shishito pepper banchan. Try saying that 3 times fast. In Korean, it's usually called Kkwari gochujang. Optional garnish time. Hit that up with some roasted sesame seeds. Beautiful. Delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.